So the final touch, some kind of oil. You can use 3-in-1, machine oil, gun oil, vegetable oil, anything. Any oil you like, take your pick. There's a wide range out there. And we just rub. As these tools I use, they're all high carbon, so they will rust very easily if I'm not careful. And the same with the hatchet as well. Just on the sharpened bit. The blackened bit from the forge, I don't tend to worry with that because the way it's been heat treated, that's sealed the metal, so it's just a shiny bit. If you've got a stainless steel blade, you don't need to worry too much because of the chrome that's in it. Again, sharpening stainless steel is a bit trickier because it's such a tough steel. So that just stops the rust forming. And pop it back in its sheath. So, protects the tool. And it's ready for work in the woods. So we want a flattening stone. One of these grooves. And what we do with the waterstone, this little trick some American dude showed me. Let's draw some pencil marks across, and then that just helps you know when you need to stop. Because obviously as you polish the stone you're removing it, so it will wear down. And this just helps me guide, so I know I've got it flat all the way across. And it's ready for sharpening next time. So some kind of tray with a bit of water in. Wet the flattening stone. In kind of a circular motion. That's flat enough on that side, that's nice. Smooth as marble. So now the other side. See gradually those pencil marks disappear. And then we just do a 45 on the edges. There. Wash all the debris off. There, so that's the Japanese waterstone redressed, and that's ready for next time when we've got a lot of sharpening to do. So I don't want to do this too often because obviously remember you're removing layers and these stones are designed to wear down, but it's always important to have that nice flat edge, and it means you can get the better edge on your tools. As always, thank you very much for watching.